Hi, my name is Doris Mosley, and for 45 years I've been a cosmetologist, and for the last 8 years I've been a trichologist. I received this box today. I'm not sure what's in it, but I believe I know what's in it. So let's see. Let's see what's in this box. Wow, it's my hair. It's my hair from hairshipment.com. I am so excited because now this let me know I'm in my own business. I have my own company now. And what are the questions that you ask yourself? What are you looking for really when you open your hair up? Are you looking for shiny, silky? Are you looking for no shedding? No shedding. What type of tracks are you looking for? Thin tracks? Thick tracks? I look for thin tracks. I look for tracks that has been double sewn so I can almost assure I won't have shedding. When I look at these tracks here from hairshipment.com, thin tracks. So when I make my wig, it'll feel like my scalp. When I sew this in, it'll feel like scalp because of the track so small. You can also have your own business when it comes to your own hair company. I'm excited about this because now I'm starting my business thanks to hairshipment.com. How bad do you want it? Do you want to start your own business? Do you want to be in business for yourself? Do you want your clients coming to you for the hair instead of going somewhere else? Today you can get started. Don't wait. When I install, I'm going to have some happy clients. I'm now my hair boss. I'm a hair boss now. You can be a hair boss too. Make it a great one. See you at hairshipment.com. Bye-bye.